Before any restoration begins, the house must be understood.
Hidden deep within the forest, this house has been standing still while time moved on.
Restoration is not about speed. It is about order.
Access is the first challenge. The forest does not give space easily.
Bring it left, just a fraction. Easy now. Okay, hold it right there, solid.
Hold it steady. Lower it 5 millimeters. Lock it in place.
Once the roof is sealed, the house can breathe again.
Modern life enters quietly, behind walls and under floors.
Modern life enters quietly, behind walls and under floors.
The house stands, not as it once.
A forest home must learn to coexist again.
In the forest, nothing is ever truly finished, only respected.